Hi, this is Yvonne from Art by Vonet, and today I just wanted to do this quick tutorial to show you how to use the clipping mask. This is something that I drew a while back, and so what I'm going to do is show you how to use the clipping mask to put a design on her top without affecting anything else. So I'm on that layer now, so what you want to do is go up here to the panel, layers panel, and you want to hit the plus sign. Then you want to tap that layer, choose clipping mask, right? Then you go to your brushes, and if you have patterns on brushes on there or texture brushes, you can use that. And I am going to use, let me see, what patterns? Let me see. Okay, I'm going to use one of these patterns. I'm going to use one of these. This is a floral pattern of vines. I'm going to use that. I've already chosen that. So, okay. Here you can adjust the size. So if you want the pattern to be small, you'll keep it at the size it's small. If you want them to be large, you would increase it there. Okay, let me see if this is good. I think I want it a little bit smaller, like 8%, 7%. And it will get on the skin, but not to worry. And that's the pattern. And you can see it, clipping mask helps it to stay within this layer and it doesn't go anywhere else. So to get rid of the excess, you just, of course, use your eraser tool and just simply erase it because it does not affect the skin in any way of the drawing because it is on a different layer. And this only affects the layer that it is on, which is the pattern. So that's the only thing that could be erased here is the pattern. And that's how you use the clipping mask. Let's do one more. So all you have to do is unselect that, create a new layer, tap that layer, choose clipping mask, go to your brushes, and choose another pattern. Let's see, I am going to use this diamond spider. And instead of using black, let me see. I'm going to try a darker pink to complement the lighter pink. And this is what it looks like. And again, you just use your eraser tool to get rid of it in the places you don't want it. Which of course we don't want that on her skin. And this is how you use the clipping mask. And you can also do the same thing for the hair. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to put some texture on her hair. You add another layer. That has nothing to do with it. And select clipping mask and go to your brushes. Let me see. Okay, I have texture brushes. And what I am going to use, I know it's kind of silly, but I'm going to use the one that says jeans. So you'll be able to see more clearly. Let me see. And I'm going to turn it up like a gray so you could just be able to see it for this demonstration. Of course, I would never use this for that. But this is to help you see the texture in the hair. I don't know. I hope you can see that in this video since it's dark. You may not be able to see that. So let's, just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use some weird color. Let's use a purple. And that way you be able to see. If you wanted to put texture in the hair, you could do the same thing. It works the same way with the clipping mask. And again, it may get on her face, but then you just use your eraser tool and that will take care of that. Of course, you have to be careful because you'll end up racing anything. Anyway, that's just to show you what you can do if you wanted to use that on for the hair as well. And that is the tutorial for today on how to use the clipping mask in your iPad. Thank you for watching.